Come on to Storyteller London.
Anyone at home?
Yes! What do you want?
The headman sent us here to collect donation for making a village pond.
Oh, wait. Take it, and where will you keep this?
What to do this water?
You asking donation for making a pond, right? Take that then. Where you will keep it?
Asking for money, not for water.
Where I can get money to keep you? Oh, making a pond, ask money. Oh, corruption. What a nonsense man he is.
Oof, come on.
If you like my channel, please tell to your friend. If you don't like, please tell me so that I can make it the best. Thank you for watching.